Django, annotate count of distinct values grouped by date. I have the following model. Example data. I need to get the active users for days. The active users are those who made at least one reproduction. If a user made many reproductions, it still counts as one. A correct answer would be: first I make an annotation a truncate of start time to keep only the date, and then I make group by for this annotation. So far everything without problems. The problem is when I try to count the users since they have repetitions. I have tried to count the user underscore it with distinct equals true, but the numbers still give me bad, also by a very big difference. I also tried grouping by user underscore it and period, annotation of truncate start time, but it didn't work for me either. Real data example from one day. Returns 20 instead of 12.
You can make a query like: for days where no reproduction is made, there will not be row in the query set, so you will need to post-process these dates.
You can use extra query set modifier for group by date query.